Okay, picture this. Computers that can think and learn like us. That's the dream of artificial intelligence, or AI. It's all about creating machines that can understand, interpret, and respond to information just like humans do. AI is already changing the world in so many ways. From those smart assistants on our phones, the ones we yell at when we're lost, to those personalized recommendations on our favorite shopping apps, AI is everywhere. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more mind-blowing applications in the future. Buckle up because things are about to get interesting. So, how exactly do we teach machines to think like humans? That's where machine learning comes in. Think of it as the brains behind AI. Instead of programming computers with specific rules for every single task, we feed them tons and tons of data. Machine learning algorithms then analyze this data, identify patterns, and use those patterns to make predictions or decisions. It's like teaching a kid to ride a bike. We don't give them a detailed physics lecture, do we? We let them practice, fall, and learn from their mistakes. Similarly, machine learning algorithms learn from data and get better over time. Pretty cool, right? Now let's dive a little deeper, shall we? Deep learning takes machine learning to a whole new level. It's inspired by the structure of the human brain, specifically the network of neurons that process information. Deep learning models use artificial neural networks with multiple layers, hence the deepen deep learning. These networks can analyze vast amounts of complex data and extract intricate patterns. It's like having a super-powered brain for your computer. Deep learning has revolutionized fields like image recognition, natural language processing, and even self-driving cars. It's the driving force behind many of the AI advancements we see today. Okay, so we've talked about AI that can analyze data and make predictions. But what about AI that can create things? That's where generative AI comes in, the true artist of the AI world. Generative AI models don't just analyze existing data. They learn from it and then generate entirely new content. Imagine AI that can compose music, write poetry, or even design stunning visuals. That's the power of generative AI. This technology is still in its early stages, but it's already making waves in various industries, from art and entertainment to healthcare and finance. Get ready to have your mind blown by the creative potential of generative AI. Section 5. The magic of generative AI. How does it work? So how does generative AI work its magic? Well, it all starts with deep learning. Generative AI models, often based on a special type of neural network called a generative adversarial network, or GAN, are trained on massive data sets. These models learn the underlying patterns and structures of the data and then use this knowledge to generate new, similar data. It's like teaching a parrot to talk. It doesn't just repeat what it hears, it learns the patterns of language and can then create new sentences. Generative AI models work in a similar way, learning the essence of data and using it to generate something entirely new and original. Section 6. Transformers, the game changer. Remember those cool kids in school who seem to excel at everything? Well, in the world of AI, Transformers are those cool kids. They're a special type of neural network architecture that has taken the AI world by storm. Transformers are particularly good at handling sequential data, like text or time series. They use a mechanism called attention to understand the relationships between different parts of the data, even if they're far apart. This makes them incredibly powerful for tasks like language translation, text summarization, and even code generation. Transformers are the driving force behind many state-of-the-art language models, like GPT-3 and BERT. Section 7. Generative AI applications galore. Get ready to have your mind blown because generative AI is popping up everywhere. From healthcare to finance and even the creative arts, it's revolutionizing the way we live and work. It's like that friend who suddenly becomes a social media influencer. Everyone wants a piece of it. The buzz is real, and the impact is undeniable. In healthcare, generative AI is being used to develop new drugs, personalize treatment plans, and even predict patient outcomes with remarkable accuracy. It can create synthetic medical images for training purposes, helping doctors and medical students practice and perfect their skills without any risk. It's like having a team of brilliant scientists working around the clock, tirelessly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. In the world of finance, generative AI is helping to detect fraud, analyze market trends, and even predict future market movements with unprecedented precision. It can provide personalized financial advice tailored to individual needs, making financial planning more accessible and effective. It's like having a personal financial advisor who's available 24/7, always ready to offer insights and guidance. And let's not forget about the creative industries. Generative AI is transforming the way artists and creators work. It's being used to compose music, write scripts, and even generate stunning visual effects for movies and video games, pushing the boundaries of creativity. Imagine having a tool that can assist in editing movies or designing intricate video game worlds, making the creative process faster and more innovative. It's like having an army of artists and musicians at your fingertips, ready to collaborate and bring your creative visions to life. Section 8. Google's Generative AI Toolkit. Google, always at the forefront of AI innovation, offers a treasure chest of tools and resources for developers who want to explore the world of generative AI. These tools are designed to make the development process smoother and more efficient. It's like having a personal AI playground at your fingertips. Imagine being able to experiment with cutting-edge technology without any limitations. Google Cloud AI Platform provides pre-trained generative models for various tasks, from image generation to natural language processing, as well as the tools to train your own custom models. This flexibility allows developers to tailor solutions to their specific needs. It's like having a team of AI experts ready to assist you. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, the support is invaluable. Vertex AI, Google's machine learning platform, makes it easier than ever to build, deploy, and manage AI models, streamlining the entire process from start to finish, including those fancy generative ones. These models can create anything from realistic images to coherent text, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It's like having a personal AI assistant to help you every step of the way. This assistant can guide you through complex tasks and simplify your workflow. And if you're looking for specific generative AI solutions, Google offers a wide range of APIs to meet your needs. Google has you covered with APIs for text generation, image synthesis, and even speech synthesis. These APIs are designed to be easy to integrate and use. It's like having a magic wand that can conjure up any type of content you can imagine. With these tools, the possibilities are truly endless, allowing for creativity and innovation like never before. Section 9. The Challenges of Generative AI. Now, before we get too carried away with the magic of generative AI, let's address the elephant in the room: the challenges. Like any new technology, generative AI comes with its own set of hurdles. These challenges can range from technical issues to ethical dilemmas, and they need to be carefully considered. One of the biggest challenges is ensuring the accuracy and reliability of generated content. This is crucial because inaccurate outputs can lead to misinformation and other serious consequences. Generative AI models can sometimes produce inaccurate or even nonsensical outputs, especially when they're trained on biased or incomplete data. This can be particularly problematic in fields like healthcare or finance, where precision is paramount. It's like playing a game of telephone. The message can get distorted along the way. The more complex the data, the higher the risk of errors creeping in. Another challenge is the potential for misuse. The power of generative AI can be harnessed for malicious purposes if not properly regulated. Generative AI can be used to create deepfakes, generate fake news, or even impersonate real people. These applications can have far-reaching and damaging effects on society. It's like giving someone a superpower without a set of rules. Things can get out of hand pretty quickly. The lack of control and oversight can lead to chaos and unintended consequences. That's why it's crucial to develop ethical guidelines and regulations for the use of generative AI. These guidelines should be comprehensive and enforceable to ensure responsible use. We need to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. By addressing these challenges head-on, we can harness the full potential of generative AI while minimizing its risks. Section 10. The Future of Generative AI. Despite the challenges, the future of generative AI is incredibly exciting. It's like looking through a telescope at a distant galaxy. The possibilities are endless. As generative AI models become more sophisticated and are trained on even larger data sets, we can expect to see even more impressive and realistic outputs. Imagine a world where AI can generate entire movies, write best-selling novels, or even design personalized fashion lines. The creative potential is limitless. Generative AI is also poised to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. Imagine having AI assistants that can understand our needs and preferences and generate personalized content, recommendations, or even entire experiences tailored just for us. It's like having a personal genie in our pocket. Section 11. Conclusion. A generative revolution. Generative AI is not just another buzzword. It's a technological revolution that's transforming the world as we know it. It's like witnessing the birth of a new art form, one that's powered by data and driven by algorithms. From generating life-saving drugs to creating personalized entertainment experiences, generative AI is already making its mark on various industries. And as this technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more mind-blowing applications in the years to come. So buckle up and get ready for the ride, because the future of generative AI is going to be one wild and creative adventure.